everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have a brand new painting project for you. This is something that I am doing with my girl, my bestie Amanda, and I thought long and hard before I decided to do this project because there are so many other projects out there that are themed like this. There is going to be one coming up in the Fantastic Lady soon that also has a very similar theme. Well, it is the same theme, but it's structured completely different. And I have been wanting to do a project based on this TV show for a very long time. And I thought about jumping in with other projects because of the theme. And I just felt like I wanted to take it above and beyond what any of those projects could offer me. No disrespect to those projects. They're very nice, but it is not what I wanted to do in homage to this particular TV show. And the TV show that I am talking about is Supernatural. Yeah, I love it. I absolutely adore Supernatural. And it has been on forever. 13 seasons. They're getting ready to start their 14th season. Actually, it might have already started, but I'm still playing catch up with season 13. So if it's already started, don't spoil it for me, please. Anyway, I was talking to Amanda about this project because I love Supernatural. I kind of conned her into getting back into watching Supernatural. She had stopped it briefly. She got into it late and was watching it. I don't know if it was on Netflix or something like that. And I'm like, it does get better and better and better and better. So I encouraged her to watch it a little bit more, and she's loving it. And I was like, let's do our own project. But because there is such longevity with this TV show, I don't feel like a very short seasonal project is what I wanted to do. So Amanda and I discussed all of the details, and we have decided that we are going to pick a product for every single episode ever aired for Supernatural. Not all at once. We're not crazy. We're not insane. Okay, we might be a little bit crazy, but we're not certifiable. Let's leave it at that. So what we are going to do, we are going to start with the first 6 episodes, including the pilot. And we are going to pick a product that will correspond to each of those episodes. This is going to be on our own time frame. We're going to post this once a month. It is going to start today on the 19th. And every month on the 19th, we will update you with where we are, if we've finished anything, and are going to be picking a new product for a new episode, and so on and so forth. This, we're going to go through all of the episodes. And I think there's 286 episodes right now. And probably by the time we get to, the end of this, there will be even more episodes that we can tack on to the back end of it, which is kind of by design. This could feasibly take us years to get through all of it. But I'm okay with that. I love Supernatural, and I'm a Dean girl. I am. A friend of mine, she has this t-shirt that says, I'm a Dean girl, but I'm Sam Curious. I'm not Sam Curious. I'm just a Dean girl. I love my Dean Winchester. Anyway, the idea is to, like I said, pick a product for each of the episodes. Rolling, this is going to be, theoretically, it's a rolling 6-pan, but based on the Supernatural episodes, to dumb it down and make it short. I have my 6 products right here. The first episode, of course, was the pilot. That is where the woman in white was introduced. So I've picked a product with white packaging. This is the Philosophy Hope in a Jar. It is just a foil. It's probably only going to last me about a week or so. So this will definitely be done by the next update. Moving on to the second episode. I can't talk. The second episode is Wendigo, and that pretty much takes place at Blackwater Ridge. And I have chosen a black product for that. This is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. And I just finished one of these, and I had 2 of them, thanks to my sister-in-law. So I will be working on that product. For the third episode, Dead in the Water, I had to pick a liquid product, and I have chosen this Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray because It's kind of watery, liquid water. Just go with it, okay? Just go with it. Some of these might be a little bit of a stretch, but you know, 286 episodes. Need I say more? All right, moving on to the next episode. This is Phantom Traveler, and this is all based on the plane crash, and they're going after some information that was found on the black box. I am taking the black box to pick my product, and I chose this black Opium because it kind of has it's a black square and it just went flying. And so that's my black box. Of course, that's not a black box inside there, but that's my black box for the sake of this project. The next one is Bloody Mary. I loved this episode and it was so creepy. Bloody Mary is something that I played when I was a little kid with my friends and stuff, and it creeps me out to this day. Her thing was she traveled through mirrors and she would gouge people's eyes out. So I picked an eye product. I chose the Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar eye for that product. This is going to be done also by the next update. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I got a lot of episodes. And the last one is Skin, and Skin is a shapeshifter, and he sheds his skin, and it's a little gross, but you know, I like that creepy gross stuff. So I chose a skincare product. This is the Donkey Milk Sleeping Mask, and it says nourishing and moisturizing, restores skin while sleeping. So that is my product for skin. Those are my first 6 episodes, my first 6 products. And I'm excited to be doing this project. And I just, supernatural. I love it. I love it. I can't say enough about it. I really hope you go check out Amanda's video. She's going to be linked down below because we're doing this together. We're like, you know, the female counterparts to Sam and Dean. We're Jess and Amanda. I don't know which one I am and which one she is. I don't know, but we're just going to go with it. We're kind of like the Wayward Sisters, but we have different parents. Y'all know what I mean. I'm a little loopy, but that's okay. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.